Number 1. March in place to raise your body temperature. Number 2. Lift your arms overhead and stretch tall. Number 3. Rotate your wrists and elbows smoothly. Number 4. Side bend gently to loosen your waist. Number 5. Perform easy standing knee raises. Number 6. Hinge forward slightly to stretch your back. Number 7. Step back into light lunges, stay controlled. Number 8. Circle your ankles to protect your joints. Number 9. Shake out your arms and legs, stay loose. Number 10. Warm up complete. Let's move forward.